These steps are a must to do if you wanna stop wasting your time rendering animations or images using Cycles engine. Go to your device. For the CPU, don't select CPU, select GPU compute because the graphics card is much faster than the processor in rendering images and animations. After that, go to sampling, render, make sure to enable noise threshold, put max samples like 500, min samples like 50. This function enables auto stop rendering when there is no more noise in the image, so by that it will save you so much time in rendering. Go to light paths, set this to 4 or 6. After that, go to output property, make sure to render on 24 fps. It will save you so much time and it will reduce the quality, of course, but there are quite some options in the internet that you can render for free on 60 fps. Scroll down, go to output. For the file format, select open EXR, so much faster in rendering, and that's it.